Right, I'm doing this live, as in not voicing over. Sorry for the mismatched hands, but you know what I'm like. Okay, now I received this package from Miss Lucy, and she's opening Miss Lucy's boutique. I hope I've got that right. I really, really hope. Formerly the Glitter Fairy. I first bought products from her way back when, oh God, way back. The first Swarovski crystals I ever used were from her. And then I was hooked. Anyway, long story short, she asked if she could send me some bits to, you know, showcase. And I said, of course, I'm all for supporting everybody. You know me. I love supporting other artists that have bigger balls than me and that go out there and just go for it. That was my shoe, not my bum, by the way. Do you know what I mean? Right, okay. So, this, I have not opened this. I've opened this because I didn't know what it was, but I have not opened this. So first of all, can I just say that my package was addressed to Princess Sarah? Now, that made my day. And actually, apparently, my dad tells me that my name means little princess. I don't even know if that's true, but this was inside my package and it came with some instructions, and it's like a vinyl decal for like your windows and stuff. Look at that. How cool is that? Glitter. It's gorgeous. And this is from the Vinyl Place personalised decals. So it might be worth checking them out. I'll give them a tag on my Insta. This is the box, and I have not opened it. So, are you ready? Oh, my belly. I've been staring at this for like 24 hours. Oh, okay. Oh, I don't know why I'm so excited. I'm like a kid. The noises that are going to come out of my mouth are going to sound inhuman, I'm telling you. They're sweeties. Look! Oh my God, who remembers rainbow drops? They are the friggin' bomb. I love rainbow drops, and they're rather low in calories. Can I just add as well? Oh, what's that? Soy wax melts, mint and white jasmine. There's a teddy bear. Oh my days. This is from Lippy Lady. There's the website, www.lippylady.co.uk. Go check her out. Oh, it smells divine. Wow, look at all these. So we've got new bougie packaging. Look at the packaging. I love this. I've always loved this. And now she's got rainbow hair. I friggin' love it. You know me, bright coloured hair. I just love it. I think it's just boss babe. Oh my God, this is called 10mm Moon and Stars. Now, we're just going into, you know, autumn, Halloween. And I think it's going to be all about the stars, the moons. That is bursting full. Look at that. Oh my days. Absolutely stunning. Can you hear my lamp? I've got a ring light. Hang on, I'm going to adjust it. I think the motor's going on my ring light, but I need to buy a new one anyway for lashing, so. Did you hear the news on Instagram? While I'm just putting this lid on, I'll tell you. I'm always careful when I put the lids back on. Here's a little tip. Just wipe around the edge. Doesn't matter if you've got a couple of stars, just put them back in the pot. Just wipe around the edge. It's better for your lids and stuff. So, I'll tell you later. What's next? Ooh, Ember. These are very autumnal names, aren't they? Ember. Oh, that's stunning. And it's got like the fish scale type pieces in as well. So it's going to have a really cool kind of 3D element to it. Like a depth. Do you know what I mean? I will swatch these as well. This is called Hexed. I'm all sparkly. Look how sparkly I am. How my whole life is sparkly. This is so nice because it's getting to that time of year when things are dying off. Like I'm sat looking at my garden. My tomato plants have died off. My cucumber plants. Oh, yes. That is rather beautiful. Yeah, all my plants are dying off, so to have a little bit of added sparkle in my life makes me very happy. What's next? Pumpkin King. Sorry, I can't cope. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's got a bit of everything in there. It's got stars, fish scales, hexagons, circles. Oh my life. Some are like iridescent, some seem holographic. Oh. Oh. Then we've got, oh, some bats. I said to Chloe when I got it yesterday, I was like, I hope there's some bats in there. Some little bats ready for Halloween. I love, oh, so cute. Hello, little bats. So hollow, aren't they? One of my all-time favourite glitters was Peacock Green and Candy Floss hollow multi-cuts from the Glitter Fairy, and I still have my solid like Christmas stash of glitters like the reds and greens and stuff. Oh, what's this? Alfaba. Look at that. Oh, that's a gorgeous green. Oh yes. I've got a client coming in next week and she was like, I want autumnal, but do what you want. Do you love it when people say that? Just do what you want. So I'm just going to pick something really autumnal and beautiful for her. Khaki. Oh, this is a super fine hollow. So this, you'll be able to use, you could rub that into the nail as well. That's beautiful. So beautiful. What I love about hollows, a true hollow, it kind of has like such a multicoloured glow and glisten. You just can't beat it. Elephant Parade. Oh, hello. Sorry, I'm looking at the side. Need to give you my light needs to shut up. Shut up. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that's got reds, golds, silvers. We've got circles. We've got little hexes. We've got stars. Oh yes. Oh my loves. I'm just going to do that. I don't know why I do it. I don't know whether it's just me being a little bit overcautious. Dominatrix, hello. Saucy. Saucy. Oh yes, mate. I have recently got a bit of a love for tinsel in a mix. Having tinsel, can you see the holographic tinsel in there? I don't know what it is about having tinsel inside a glitter mix, but I really, really love it. I think it just gives so many elements. And I'm a bit of a sucker for like pouring a glitter mix into a triangle tray and then taking parts out to use. Like bits that I want. And I love that because you can just zhuzh up any design. Frosticles! Sorry, I get excited this time of year. Oh, wow. Oh, that's beautiful. That's got like shards in it. Holographic and metallic-y shards. Oh, yeah. And some dots. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. We're going to have so much fun. My clients need to get adventurous. I'm just going to force them. I'm just going to pin their hands down and not let them leave. Midnight. Not let them leave. These are 10mm pots, I should add, by the way. 10mm. Just let you know. Look at that. Oh, wow. Sorry, I don't want to say the same thing over and over. So you've got multi-cut hexes in there in red. They're like a holographic. Then you've got an iridescent kind of clear. You've got really tiny pieces, bigger pieces. It's a real multi-mix. Oh, that's beautiful. That's incredibly beautiful. Pride. Well, you know I love Pride. I love anything Pride. I full on love Pride. In fact, I was talking to my daughter about this the other day, right? This is quite a funny conversation. She'll probably kill me for telling you guys this. But my daughter Bex is gay, okay, but she's still a female and she still has lady problems. And she wanted to ring the doctors about a lady problem, but they always ask the questions like, is there a chance you could be pregnant? And she always feels awkward. And I just said to her, just say no, I'm a lesbian. They'll shut up. She's like, oh, I don't know if I can say that. Yes, you can say that, my girl. Have pride. That's what I said to her yesterday. Have pride. I said, you support pride, you wear pride colours, you've got a pride flag in your room, so be proud. Yes. She's going to love this. Even though she doesn't like getting her nails done. Unless it's black nail polish, that's about it. But she will love these. I love that. Pride, that's all about the celebration, the party, the bright stars. Oh, look at those stars as well. They've got like the negative space in the middle. Can you see? Oh, yes. Friggin' beautiful. Arabian Princess. I never got this when it came out. I missed it. And I was sad because this was a firm favourite, super popular. Do you guys remember maybe Arabian Princess when the Glitter Fairy released it? Well, now it's in Miss Lucy's boutique, so you can get that. Gorge. Now I know what this one is, and I still have some of this left. Persian Prince, another firm favourite. I still have some of this left, I must admit. It's absolutely stunning. When you see this on a design and it comes to life, it's just like, ah. Right, I better tidy my stuff away and swatch these for you, hadn't I? Oh, just look in the box. Look in the box. It's so sparkly.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
We're good, we never left the ground.
need to take some weight off our shoulders. The fight isn't over. Can you let me be tonight? I will need some time alone, not forever, but when we're together, it feels like my spark's been left in the dark sometimes. Cause when I'm with you, it's just like an airwave, better than a band-aid. This could be love, not sure, but I'm probably right. When you're around, I can say what I wanna say. So hard to concentrate. This is all that I need and more. Perfectly safe and sure. I'll be with you always. I will stay with my common sense. Irresistible friend. Will you be with me always? Stay up all night. We finally took some weight off our shoulders, so this fight is over. Can you stay with me tonight? I don't wanna be alone, and I need you here if you want to. I know my spark's been left in the dark sometimes, but when I'm with you, it's just like an airwave, better than a band-aid. This could be love, not sure, but I'm probably right. When you're around, I can say what I wanna say. So hard to concentrate. This is all that I need and more. Perfectly safe and sure. I'll be with you always. I will stay with my common sense. Irresistible friend. Will you be with me always? A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes city dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes down.
I think about yesterday. My, oh my. My, oh my. A kiss, and so I did. My, oh my. My, oh my. A kiss, and so I did.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again. But life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my
And that is that, my loves. I'm so grateful to Lucy to sending me these gorgeous glitters. And yeah, I'll put all the links and everything in the description box. Have fun. Tally bye.